Just stop for a moment and think about all the personal websites that you have access to. These might be social media sites like Facebook or Instagram. There might be online shopping accounts like your supermarket account or perhaps eBay. Or what about fitness apps like Strava? Or what about those apps you use for travelling like Booking.com or Airbnb? If everyone sat down and wrote a list of all the online accounts they had, the list would be huge. Now, to make our lives easier, we sometimes register for these personal websites using our business email address. To make the problem worse, we'll then choose the same password for these websites as we do for everything else. So we might have the same password for our Instagram account as we do for our business email. That way, we don't have to remember lots of different passwords, and our lives become that little bit easier. But here's the problem. Websites get hacked, and we have no control over that. There's nothing we can do to stop our personal websites getting hacked. But if you have used your business email and your business password to register for these websites, then the hackers could also hack into your Microsoft 365 email. Of course, in previous videos, I've discussed lots of tactics that you can do to protect all your personal websites, like using strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. But another big tip I can give you is not to mix business with pleasure. Why not create a personal email address, something like Gmail, and use that when you sign up to all your personal applications? Of course, you can secure your Gmail address with a strong password and two-factor authentication. Leave your business email purely for business things. That way, if you hear about your favourite shopping site getting hacked, you don't have to scurry around and change all your business passwords. I hope today's video has been valuable. If it has, why not subscribe to my channel? I publish every Tuesday and every Friday.